Azimio complained and still holds the position that no justice was done in 2022 presidential elections. But after we have at every corner stood unwavering in our respect for the judiciary, the judges and the decisions. Ruto's entire political career has been saved by the judiciary. When he was charged with the fraud and stealing of Kenya pipeline land, it is the judiciary that saved him. When he was sued to stop his presidential bid to President Uhuru Kenyatta on account of commission of crimes against humanity, it is the judiciary that saved him. And in 2022, the judiciary sanctified his power grab after he rigged the elections. It is ridiculous to now hear the biggest political beneficiary of judicial decisions in Kenya's history now accuse the institution of sabotaging him. But this is not about the judiciary. This is about where Ruto wishes to take Kenya and what it means for Kenyans. Having captured parliament, Ruto now wants to intimidate, subdue, and capture the judiciary. Want the judges not to hear cases against his policies, dismiss such cases, or always rule in his favor. In other words, Ruto wants to establish an absolute dictatorship. Kenyans know we have been here before. We have seen days when judges had cases in the dead of the night, way past official working hours, and sent opponents of states to jail. Kenyans know we have seen days when judges got transferred, sacked, delivering rulings that did not favor the state. Ruto wants to return us to that era of terror. As a people, we have in the past made heavy and painful sacrifices to establish a semblance of constitutional democracy as we now know it. Kenyans have every intention to see to it that every text of the Constitution that was promulgated in 2010 finds meaning in the manner in which they are governed every minute and every day of their lives. And no sacrifice will be too much to pay to ensure this. Our judiciary